Hi everyone, for your week 2 discussion, you are going to look at investing over a given period of time. And you're going to compare two different value amounts. There's a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3. In order to do this activity, you'll just click on this link, Future Value Calculator, and you can click on that so you can see how plugging in numbers will yield different results. When you click on that Excel spreadsheet and you open it up, you'll see areas where you can put values in. It's suggesting you enter an amount between $100 and $600, and so you would just click in here and say, okay, I would be able to put away $200 every month. I would invest $200 every month. In the second line, don't put anything there. This is set to 12. Since this is compounded monthly, our end value would be 12. And let's say we're going to enter somewhere between 20 and 35 years. Well, I want to grow this for at least 30 years. And let's enter a rate between 4% or 10%. I'm going to choose 0.05%, and I see a value here that tells me how much investment money I have created based on putting $200 away every month and at a 5% rate. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use the same values here. Your 200 is the same, your 5% is the same, but you're going to decrease the years somewhere between 5 and 15 and see what the difference is. Kind of evaluate the impact of years and why years are so important. And another thing that is really fun with this Excel spreadsheet, it says to choose an amount between 1 and 600. Do this a couple times. Try 100, try 150, try 600. What if you put $600 away every month? That's hard to do sometimes. But what about changing the rate? How does changing the rate? Try 400. Try 4%, 0.04. Try 10%, 0.10. And how does the rate change? Try to really don't spend 2 minutes on this. Try to spend 5 to 15 minutes just playing around with numbers, because this activity is not just something for you to do for school. It's something to consider as you move through life, how you can make money by investing.